Hey there, Queen of Laces here, and today I have a Mizuno catcher's mitt that busted the middle section of its pocket. What a great opportunity to show you how to fix this on your own. Before we get started though, you're gonna need three things. You're gonna need a replacement lace. You're going to need a lace threading tool. The one I am using for this video is one that you can find at just about any sporting goods store. And then you'll also need something to cut the laces with when you are finished. And now